all done with my workout and I feel so good. I feel like, I always say good, I always feel like really refreshed after I do after I work out in the morning. And I always feel so good after, like, even though some days I like I don't feel like moving, I don't feel like working out, or I don't even feel like leaving my house like early in the morning. I always feel like so much better when I do. Have 2 eggs, some spinach, and some cherry tomatoes in a whole wheat wrap. I have some strawberries and blueberries, and then a half a serving of the mixed nuts. You like the blueberries? Yes. All right, so lunch today is 1 cup of white rice, 4 ounces of ground turkey with some salsa, and then a really big salad with some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and bell pepper. And then the dressing I use is the hummus Caesar dressing. And yeah, I also Good morning, it's Thursday, and what time is it? 5 in the morning, it's 5:09, and I'm up and I'm headed to the gym. I got up at 4:30 and I almost didn't want to get dressed and everything, but I did. It's a mindset. You gotta talk yourself out of like saying no, and talk yourself out of like wanting to stay back in bed. You just gotta push yourself. My workout was really good, and all I did today was cardio. I just ran and walked 4 miles. When I got to the gym, I didn't want to get out of the car when I got to the gym. Like on the way here, I got really sleepy on the way, like driving to the gym, and then I did not want to get out of the car. I even like put my seat back and closed my eyes for like 5 minutes. But I was like, you know what, Kim, get up. I was like, you gotta do this. You're already here, you might as well. It's almost 10:30. For something light, I have some eggs, I have a little bit of cherry tomatoes, and then some mixed nuts. cooked it a little bit too much on one side, but it's all good. I did 1.5 servings of the almond flour, and then it turned out to 3 of the little circle shapes for the bun. Cooked some chicken thigh here, so now I'm gonna assemble the whole sandwich. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch. This is 1.5 servings of the bread, and then I believe that's like maybe 4 ounces, maybe 5 ounces of chicken thigh, some carrots and some cherry tomatoes. I have a little bit of mustard and some romaine lettuce. And then to get some more veggies in, I have just a side salad right here. So when I was in the gas station earlier today, when I got off of work, I went in there to get a sparkling smart water. That's the only thing that I went there for. But then I found myself eyeing like the chips and eyeing the candy. And I didn't get any of that. I just walked past. I was like, okay, let me just have tunnel vision. So I didn't get any of that. But then I stopped by the protein bar section where they have all the different protein bars. And I contemplated getting a Quest bar. I almost got one. But then I looked at the back of the calories and I was like, dang, 200 calories for a Quest bar. I was like, is it worth it? It was already 6 p.m. and I was done with my meal like way earlier at like 2 o'clock. So like I didn't end up getting anything, just my sparkling water that I came in there for. So I'm really happy about that. I feel really proud. Like I just wanted to share that because usually I would like always get like a drink and something. Usually a bag of chips and a candy bar or 2. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you guys pretty much tomorrow. Bye.